Hi. Let me show you how to open a demo account with TIOmarkets. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your TIOmarkets account. Step 2. Click on Open Demo Account. Step 3. Configure your demo trading account. Your demo account has been successfully created. Step 4. You will receive an email with your credentials and a link to download the platform. Click on the link to download the platform. Step 5. Select the platform for your device and install. Open the platform and log in by entering your credentials. That's it. You have now opened your demo account and you can start trading. Good luck.